Yes, back in. Thank you, Trenders. Thank you for tuning in. As you know by now, my name is Jordan. If you don't know, then you must be new. So thank you so much for tuning in. Much love. We appreciate the love. But listen, not going to jibber jabber. Let's jump straight into unknown unboxing. Okay, so it's Adidas. Adidas showing us mad love again. Appreciate the love, Adidas. Thank you so much. And what have we got here today? Packaging. Oh, 380s. You see. So now I'm trying to think what 380s have recently been released, right? And I'm just puzzling my mind, thinking, what are these? Get these out of the box. Okay. Oh. The alien blues, man. I should have known, man, because the only other 380s we reviewed most recently was the Coverlight. And if you want to watch that review, click up to the top there. I think you had a great time with them. So here we are with the alien blues. I mean, the name alone just says just gonna be mad, right? So here we go. Actually, look, let me get out of the box and come back. So here they are out of the box. Now, unlike the Coverlight again, which was just, I don't know, man. I remember just watch the video and watch DeAndre's face as he pulls them out of the box. It's just absolute classic. But like these, I pulled them out of the box and I'm like, actually, see, if you're gonna do like 780s like he does, right, yeah, and he does like that Onyx one, which is just a brilliant, shades of dark black and purple. If you're gonna do an alien blue, it just has to look alien and it has to just stand out. So look, these are just banging, man. Come on. I know some of you be like, oh, you guys are just Yeezy fanboys. You guys are Yeezy fanboys. Yeah, we are, so. Or yes, I am, and so. But like these are, I like these, man. I like these. I'm still not overly hyped on the side of the heels at the back there. I mean, when you see the on foot, you know what I mean. It sort of like gives that, I don't know, just like chunky feel when it feels like a bit of a runner trainer, but it's not exactly. And obviously it's like that, like the 350s with the, these bits coming out extra wide as well for those wide foot people like myself. It makes it look a little bit narrow. I like these though. The colors are just brilliant. Hopefully you can see that inside here, there's like a white mesh running beneath the green, and like the luminous green thing coming in here, and it's just got these tones of white and grey splattered all over. It just, it's weird. It reminds me of like a coral reef, like an ocean or something. And then I don't know what he's thinking here, but I like it anyway. These jiggly jaggedy, they're like waves, like waves coming at you from the alien town on the moon or something. I don't know, man. I just really like these. And then slightly different undersoles, I believe, from the Coverlight. But just a transition of colors as well. Just works really well. It's really well blended in. Yes, again, in infinity laces. You guys know my love for infinity laces. But they make the shoe so awkward to get on, right? It's so crazy. But hey, I'm not going to complain because I don't want to tie my shoelaces anyway on the Yeezys. So look at these. I have got no qualms. They just look really good. Now time for the on foot. On foot, they actually look really good. So unlike the Coverlight where the structure was a bit naff, you see from the on foot video, these look really good on your feet. They just look really snug and really comfortable. Only problem I find with these, so I normally take a 9, but with Yeezys, as you know, you order half a size up. But these were a 9.5. My toes were a little bit cramped, so be safe and just order a 10. You know, be safe and order a 10 and you can't go wrong. But one thing worth noting here, they got this cushion at the back. It's really hard to see. If we can get a close up, I'll get a close up for you. But they've got a cushion at the back of the ankles in your sock. And it's just really different. I don't think they were on the Coverlite. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but I don't think they were. So that's a really nice touch from Kanye and the Adidas crew. But listen, these are definite cop. The color's great. It's completely different. The alien blue actually works really well with it, right? It has got some reflectivity. It's more like a glistening along the green, which works, which looks really well in the dark. But on your feet, you won't be disappointed. And they are actually a statement shoes, which is what I think the 380s were supposed to be. And what he's done, or they've done this time, is really make it work. So for me, these are massive cop. You can still get them on adidas.com sites, and obviously on the reseller market, definitely worth getting, because not a lot of people will be rocking these and be rocking these well, because these will rock well with shorts, you know, pulling out some white Adidas socks, you know. But guys, man, these for me, these are worth a cop. So how do you feel about them? What do you feel? Do you like them? Don't you like them? Let us know on the comments below. It's been great trying these on, and thank you for tuning in.